Pulling just gives me a lot more control, and I like being in control. Well, hey y'all, guess who's coming to dinner? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Juliahair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how I finessed this hairline because I wasn't really sure at first, but I did a little something and we got her together. And she's still glueless. Y'all see it over there? So stay with me, okay? It's not gonna be too much work. At least I don't think it is. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Juliahair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is another curly joint, but I happened to wash her today, okay? No bath, okay? We actually washed her with our dish soap. Now, I ain't go heavy-handed with it, so I'm still using a little bit of my dry shampoo. Helped it out a little bit, just a tad, just a little sprinkle. But I did wash it. The curls clumped together really nicely. I didn't go heavy-handed with the clumping because I want to do more of that when I use my mousse. Y'all know the drill, okay? So let's go ahead and get this wig on our head. I'm gonna cut off the back lace first of all. Now today's wig will be glueless, I mean, duh. But let's go ahead and put this wig on. I'm gonna leave the adjustable straps on the back because I feel like this will fit down big head friendly. I can wear my wig grip under this. That hairline was looking a little blocky, Julia, but we gonna fix her. There we go. So big head friendly she is. What she isn't is pre-plucked. It's not really giving me the pre-pluck that I like for me. It is plucked a little bit behind the hairline with those baby hairs, but I'm gonna do a little more. Pull some right here at the temples. Pull that out like this. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Pull some out right here in the front. Keep on pulling, keep on pulling. If I was to use the baby hairs, it would look a little bit more pre-plucked than this, but I don't use their baby hairs. I like to create my own hairline, so that's what I'm gonna do. Pulling just gives me a lot more control, and I like being in control. Now, if you don't wanna pluck anything, you definitely don't have to, but I want mine to look a little bit more natural than it was looking out the pack. So that's why I go in and pull some of that hair out. I can try to finesse that, so let me just get this lace cut off my ear. The lace does have like a light brown tint to it, so I may not have to use any type of products on top of the lace. Let me get my, what am I looking for? I lost my train of thought. The razor. I ain't got my glasses on, so I lost focus. Let me put them back on because I cannot see that. All right, so cut. This is the wrong one. Is this one? Let me just throw that one away because I don't know why I keep putting it back over there. Put you in the trash. I'm using my Nairobi yet again around my hairline. I'm running low. I gotta stretch this one because I'm already out. Like, dang. I hope I got another one somewhere. I don't think I do. I guess I gotta order some more. Who buying up all the Nairobi? Me. Do I gotta pull more hair out? I don't want to. Let me get my band. Push it back like this and pin her down. All right, let's define these curls real quick. You don't get a whole bunch of parting, but I don't really care for a defined part on my curly wigs anyways. Not anymore anyway. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the mousse all over the hair and define my curls. Ooh, I gotta make sure I spread this joint out all over like this. Get the ends. Don't waste it, don't waste it. Don't play with it, don't play with it. Use my Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush to define the curls. I'm getting some shedding on this wig. I got some when I did the co-wash, and I'm getting a little bit as I'm defining the curls as well. I'm pretty sure this is 150% density, and it's combing through really nicely. I had very few snags and tangles when I went through to wash and define this hair, so I like that for my curly wigs. Clump the curls like this. There we go. Use my finger to define some of them. I want to make sure my ends are not frizzy. Make sure they clumped really nicely together. And get this side. Clumpity, clump, clump, clumpity, clump, clump. It's almost Christmas. Christmas time is here. I know it's my favorite time of the year. I love it. Plus it's almost Wigmas. Oh yeah. It's still a little damp right here in the back, but we'll get that straight in a second. I want to take off this band really quick to see how my hairline is sitting. Oof. Trust yourself, Kie. I was real worried, y'all. I was dang there holding my breath. This is looking pretty good. It's a little ashy though. Take my excess contour and just get that blended in like that. So I'm gonna blow dry the hair without my diffuser on high and cool. Now I'm gonna take my pick. I'm gonna pick through the hair from the root, and then we're gonna go under like this. There are some layers in the hair, not many though, so it's not really gonna give you a shape out the pack. You gotta shape it for yourself. I may need to tighten down my straps in the back. Oh, they didn't came off. I was wondering why it was so daggone loose. All right, there we go. That's a lot better. I think I wanna style her kind of like a messy updo. And use my daughter's bow again. Okay, spin it around like this, I think. I'm just gonna use my bobby pin and I'm gonna pin it right here behind my ear. Pin the wig to the wig grip. Make sure if the wind blow, my wig is gonna be secure. These are not really perfect, but oh well. Yeah, do I look good or do I look good? I did not go in and get my knots together, so I'm gonna try to do that right now with my knot eraser. Use my middle color right here. You know, it may not matter because you know how I have my hairstyle. You may not be able to see it, but we're gonna find out. I mean, it's trying to conceal them, so you know, it could work out, but you know, I don't really care as much as I used to, so I'm gonna leave it like this. You know, it's doing what it needs to do. It's giving the looks that it needs to give, and I'm pretty happy with the final result. So, you know, we're gonna leave her. I love the upstyle, gave a different little flavor. If you are a beginner who wants to try out a curly wig, this may be one for you. It did take a little work to get to this point, especially, you know, around the hairline, but do what you gotta do, okay? If you don't wanna do nothing out the pack, guess what? You don't have to, okay? I'm just showing you what I do. So before y'all tell me that's too much work, sis, you don't gotta do it, Cadet Kelly. Pass it over. I'm just really liking how this is looking. The hair is soft. I mean, that dish soap, that dish soap gets me together every time. If it can take oil off of ducks, it can cleanse my hair. Okay, listen. And don't worry, Daddy Pawpaw can take a break for this one. This one is actually more affordable for a curly 20-inch human hair wig. So go ahead and grab your change purse, okay? We are ready to slay. Ho, 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 baby. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Juliahair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.